What you be, what you do? My name is KingdoesYt and I'm back with another video, but today we're going to be doing a different video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to EV train. And first things first, to EV train, you need Pokemon to EV train, right? Like, obviously. So I'm going to finish EV training my Doug Trio after this video. It's a little bit left, yeah. So, yeah. So first things you need to EV train, you need to head to the arcade obviously, like I am, right here in arcade. Then what you need to do is you're gonna head to the shop in right in front of you. So you need, if you want to get them all, you can. You might want to get like the ones that you really need. Like you need the power weight, you need the power bracer, power belt, power lens, power band, and power anklet. If once you bought those, I actually have some of them. I don't have like one or two. I think I don't have one of them. And here I have one. Wait. I don't have the defense one, I'm pretty sure. So here, once you have them, if you want to like train something in attack stats, I think this it's too loud. Is my mic even working? Yeah, it's working. Okay. So, like once you're like hovering over them and you click on them, you see an item to be held by a Pokemon. It reduces speed, but it allows the holder's attack stat to grow more. The speed doesn't matter if you have it on, if you have an XP share. So what you're gonna do is use the power anklets for speed. This is for attack. This is for HP. This is for special attack, and this is for special defense. So let's see. You wanna train, I don't know, your Doug Trio in attack. So you would grab your power bracer and you would give it to your Doug Trio. So once you have done that, and you have trained it in a Doug Trio, follow me guys, to the attack person, or the one to most money. The one that gives you the most money. Most money. For the vid. For the video. Let's get out of the arcade. How to train. I'm gonna use Hawkeye to head to Iridia City. So let's say you wanted to train something in attack, you would put the power bracer on them. No! Get out of there. You might want to get some L's. Then you would obviously, if you know the people that give that stat, you would have to obviously go to them. Every power item gives the Pokemon 4 EV in that stat. So, like, let's say Quackrock gives you, I don't know how many he gives, 2. I think he gives 2 or something. He would give 6 after the power bracer. So it's way better than the power the other, like the one that you get at Macho Brace. These are way better than it, and they're probably cheaper, I would rather say. Then you would battle the one that you want for the attack stat right here. And yeah, like obviously you would have to do this process. This only been so fun. Why is this only 5 minutes long? I thought this was taking way more longer than I thought it was. So, energy ball this. Then if you have the XP shade like I do, then you don't even have to worry about the speed thing. It's okay. And once you're battling, you want to make sure you take it off and put the actual item you want on it. So otherwise, yeah, otherwise your speed will lower, I think. The person, the money farm, the money farm person. And that is it for the video. That's how you retrain. And let's see, I had 118 and the Doug Trio's attack stat 135 CE grew. So I am gonna finish up Doug Trio's EV training, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.